Listen up, gadget lovers! If you want to take your game to the next level, create killer content, then you need the right gadgets by your side. That's why I've rounded up a seriously cool collection of must-have devices that'll boost your performance, enhance your productivity, and bring a whole lot of fun to your life. Let's get started. No one likes thick wallets. That's why the Grip 6 Minimalist wallet might be really handy at keeping your essentials in one place. First, it's super slim. The moment you need a card or a driver's license, it fans them out with a quick motion of your thumb. By the way, the wallet fits up to 14 cards with a leather jacket. The locking mechanism keeps them secure once you slip them back into place. While it's obvious it's RFID blocking, finally that optional finger loop helps to pull the wallet out of the pocket. Tired of feeling like a volcano that's about to erupt from all the endless tasks and stress in your life? This Volcano Aroma Diffuser is here to do the erupting for you. In a good way, of course. It offers two modes, Volcano and Flame, with LED light effects that create a soothing atmosphere. The auto shut-off function makes it safe to use, and the latest fogging technology improves air quality. Additionally, it's ultra-quiet and has an intelligent timing function for up to 8 hours of use. It's gonna be an epic battle, gentlemen! Load your guns! The same as always, Bob. You ain't ready? Go assemble your weapon, now! Yep, Armor-1 is a wooden assembly toy you can rock for hours on end. This baby packs a punch with a shooting mechanism that's as close to the real deal as it gets. Plus, you can hold up to 5 rounds at once. Who needs a real gun, right? But wait, you can pick another weapon. The Destroyer Jr. is a 6-barrel rubber band machine gun that fires off 30 rounds per second. And to make it even cooler, the manufacturer added interchangeable magazines so you can reload on the fly. Finally, there's the Tinker, a wearable mechanical toy that can grab, hold, and move with a 120-degree range of motion. It's like having an extra pair of hands, but way more fun. Have you ever used your phone or tablet as an extra screen when you're working? Well, how about turning it into another PC? This dope docking station has 8 ports, including HDMI, which means you can connect another monitor or some other computer gadgets to make your work life more comfortable. And guess what? It can even charge your devices. Last but not least, it elevates your phone or tablet to a cozy eye level, which is great for your eyes and your back. Oh, you need to juice up some more gadgets? Check out this stand that's got your back. It's just as slim and portable as the previous one, and won't hog up too much space on your desk. Yet it can keep up to 3 devices charged and ready to go. Let's start with your iPhone. You can charge it no matter how you position it, which is great news for those of us who use our phones a ton while at work. And if your Apple Watch is about to bite the dust, just pop it onto the pad and give it a little boost. Oh, and don't forget about your AirPods. This stand will charge them too. Now, all your gadgets are ready to rock and roll. Has anyone accidentally sat down on a snitch or something? Nope, these are your expensive and luxurious earbuds that boast a rich hi-fi sound. Introducing the T10 Bespoke by Ear Micro, the world's smallest wireless earbuds. With superior audio tech from Klipsch and a luxurious construction, these cuties are a must-have for the discerning audiophile who wants both style and substance. Already got AirPods? I've got a G-Cube luminous armor case for you, beggar. The mechanical design magnetically installs and has a hollow structure. Crafted with luminescent materials, it looks truly unique and even features a convenient switch. Problems with measuring? The NeoRuler Smart Ruler is the ultimate desktop measuring tool from Hozo Design. Featuring 90 built-in scales and accurate drafting abilities, it's perfect for architects, designers, and engineers. It also allows you to switch between metric and imperial measurements easily and quickly without complex calculations. Get ready to bring your wildest imaginations to life with the Creality Halot Ray 3D printer. Equipped with an enlarged mono matrix and 6K screen resolution, this printer can reproduce even the smallest details of your model with a fine texture and smooth surface. The efficient air filtration system makes it safe to use at home or in educational institutions. The printer's updated software includes the Slicer Halot box, which automatically detects and eliminates model defects. The Creality Cloud app allows you to work freely with your models and share them over Wi-Fi, while remote monitoring and real-time recording with an HD camera lets you visualize the entire printing process. Nice necklace! Do you have any small stuff you need to keep safe and sound? The Ion Canister is a precision machine storage tool made from stainless steel that'll serve you a lifetime. Its sturdy walls provide complete isolation from the external environment and shelter your dearest belongings from water, heat, and other challenges. And that luminescent stone at the top makes it easy to find the canister in the dark. Do you hear anything? Me neither. That's why a quality mic is so important for content creators. AnkerWork has launched their new product, AnkerWork M650, a 2-microphone kit that can be clipped or magnetically attached to your clothing. Perfect for video interviews or improving the quality of Zoom calls. With voice shield noise cancellation technology, dual-channel lossless pickup, and TrueLink 656-foot transmission, you can record with confidence and ease no matter the surroundings. The device is plug and play, no complicated setups, plus you can enjoy up to 15 hours of battery life with the charging case. It's time to level up your content. Oh no, running out of battery life is the worst. But fear not, because this tiny charger can handle any device from your smartphone to the laptop. And get this, the manufacturer promises to charge your iPhone 14 up to 50% in just 18 minutes. Plus, it's super compact, portable, and easy to take with you wherever you go. So never stress about dead batteries again with this powerhouse charger by your side. Who says a zipper can't be a hero? Introducing ZIPCC, a multifunctional charging and data transfer cable that's as cool as it is convenient. With its unique zipper design, this cable eliminates clutter and makes charging and data transfer easy peasy. With 3 charging ports, including Type-C, USB-A, and Lightning, it's perfect for all your devices. Plus, its waterproof design and ability to withstand up to 176 pounds of weight make it the ultimate outdoor adventure partner. And if that's not enough, its expandable design allows it to go from 3.6 feet to 6.5 feet in a flash. Get ready to zip into a new era of cable management. Looking for a keyboard that flirts with the past and the future? Then the KT68 Pro is the one for you. It's a unique wireless mechanical keyboard that boasts a 9.1-inch LED strip with 325 LEDs that behaves like a smart screen. The device can connect up to 4 devices at the same time. The keyboard comes with 68 keys in the body of a 75-key keyboard, and the switches are silent and highly sensitive. There's also a volume knob and toggle switch for quick controls. The kit includes a 4,000 mAh battery and a USB-C port, as well as various accessories. Aren't you impressed? Dot Bravo's GrabShell Transformer keyboard might be a fair option. Just look at that innovative modular design with a joystick, trackball, and gamepad-style grip. Made with mechanical keys and original keycaps, this futuristic keyboard can be used on a table or taken on the go thanks to its folding capability. Connect via Bluetooth or Type-C cable and enjoy hours of uninterrupted use with the powerful 2,000 mAh battery. What's that thing for? The ZimaBoard 832 is a single-board computer that offers a low-cost, high-performance server solution for makers and geeks. Powered by the Intel Celeron N3450 processor, it comes with preloaded software and can run any other operating system. It features a PCIe expansion slot, 2 gigabit Ethernet ports, 2 USB 3.0 ports, and an HDMI port for video output. With its expandability and power, it provides a range of customization options and is suitable for a wide range of applications, including high-performance network-attached storage devices. When buying a new phone, many of us pay attention to the cam. Well, that's obvious. That's one of the most frequently used things nowadays. Honor Magic 5 Pro is a smartphone that boasts a sleek design and impressive performance features, including a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset and 120Hz circadian-friendly display. But yeah, this device is mostly about the impressive camera setup, which includes a 50-megapixel wide lens, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens on the front, as well as various special photography modes, including AI motion sensing capture. With a 5100 mAh battery that yields over 12 hours of heavy usage, the Honor Magic 5 Pro is set to compete with the likes of Samsung and Apple in the premium smartphone market. Speaking of Samsung and its iconic folds, I found a worthy substitute. Honor Magic 5 is a foldable phone with a 6.45-inch cover display and a 7.9-inch internal foldable OLED panel. It features a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus support, and a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 paired with 12 GB of RAM. The hinge design allows for a complete closure without a gap, and the fold is done in a teardrop shape to reduce strain on the OLED panel. The final touch? It's way cheaper than fold. So you usually reduce anxiety by rotating something in your hands? Let's say spinners? This creative design gives the gadget a whole new twist. First, you seem to hold a shuriken right on your fingertips. Don't you like it? Turn it into a gyro toy then, no problem. No matter the option, a high-quality mechanism ensures long and fast rotation, but it's still going to stay extremely silent no matter how hard you spin it. The reflective green lines provide a stunning visual effect, especially in the violet light. There are other great spinners equipped with luminous strips. This one looks so much like a UFO. And since the manufacturer is heavily intrigued by Tesla's theory on numbers and how they can unlock the key to the universe, they've hidden the 369 pattern into the bottom of the craft. So yeah, no matter which option you choose, all of them look impressive.